Hey guys, today we are going to show you bulk electronic payment with all banks in Malaysia. Perform all employees' salaries electronically by using SQL Payroll Software. SQL Payroll Software is compliant with all Malaysia's banks for bulk electronic payment. Let's start with a one-time configuration. Set up employer bank info in payroll. Maintenance. Maintain payment method. Choose default payment method. Click on edit. Select employer bank. Insert bank account number. Payment type, choose directly transfer. Once done the process, click on save. Next, we will set up employees bank info in human resources. Maintain employees. Select any employee. And click on edit. Under payroll info, update employee bank. Enter bank account number. After key in the information, click on save. Once you've completed the above one-time setup, you may begin processing your monthly payroll as usual. For example, let's process the current month's payroll. At payroll, new payroll. Process. Next, you can generate the electronic bulk payment from payroll. Print credit bank reports. Choose a payroll process. Payment method. And apply. Click on electronic credit transfer. In this example, we are using Maybank as our employer bank. You can select the format type that you registered with the bank. Fill in the relevant information. Click the three dots. Save the file to your desktop. Saved. Next, log into your bank portal. Upload the file directly without manually one-by-one transfer to employees. Start SQL Payroll today to streamline your payroll procedure. Pay to all employees electronically. Receive the salary on time.
Subscribe to our YouTube for the latest video, follow our Facebook for the latest update, go to our website for reports and guides. It's so easy.